What if the most dangerous hunters in nature are not the ones you fear the most? Hidden in forests, oceans, and even right beneath your feet are predators so efficient, so precise, that their prey rarely sees them coming. And strangely, most people have never heard of them. When we think of deadly hunters, we imagine lions, wolves, or great white sharks. But nature hides far more fascinating killers, animals, that rely not on size or strength, but on intelligence, camouflage, speed, and surprising strategies. Today, we're revealing some of the most deadly hunters you probably overlooked. And the last one might be the fastest predator relative to its size on Earth. Imagine walking across the forest floor, and suddenly the ground attacks you. That's exactly how the trapdoor spider hunts, hidden underground. This spider builds a silk-lined tunnel covered with a perfectly camouflaged door, made of soil and leaves, from above. It looks just like the forest floor, but beneath that door, a patient predator waits. The moment an insect walks nearby, the spider senses tiny vibrations through the ground. Then, faster than you can blink, it bursts out, grabs its prey and drags it underground. For the victim, the attack is almost impossible to escape. But underground ambush hunters are not the only masters of surprise. Some predators hunt using something even stranger, a built-in spear. Meet the mantis shrimp, a predator, with one of the fastest strikes in the entire animal kingdom. Living in tropical oceans, this small crustacean hides inside coral burrows. But when prey swims too close, it strikes with specialized limbs that move so fast they create tiny shock waves in the water. Scientists have recorded strikes reaching speeds similar to a bullet leaving a gun. For small fish and crabs, the encounter lasts less than a millisecond. But speed alone isn't always enough. Some hunters rely on something far more powerful: perfect invisibility. At first glance, the cuttlefish looks harmless. But this strange marine animal is one of the most intelligent hunters in the ocean. Its secret weapon? Skin that can change color, pattern, and texture in less than a second. Using thousands of specialized cells called chromatophores, the cuttlefish can blend perfectly into rocks, coral, even sand. Once it becomes invisible, it slowly glides toward its prey. Then suddenly, two lightning-fast tentacles shoot forward and grab the victim. But some predators don't just hide. They pretend to be something else entirely. In the savannas of Africa lives one of the most efficient hunting teams on Earth: African wild dogs. Unlike lions, they rely on coordination rather than brute strength. Each member of the pack plays a role. Some chase the prey, others cut off escape routes. Their endurance is incredible, capable of chasing prey across long distances until it becomes exhausted. And because of this teamwork, wild dogs have one of the highest hunting success rates among large predators. But what if a predator could hunt using pure speed alone? The next animal might surprise you. It might look like a harmless insect, but the dragonfly is one of the most successful hunters on the planet. Studies show dragonflies catch up to 95% of the prey they chase. That's better than lions, sharks, or wolves. Their secret lies in extraordinary vision. Dragonflies have nearly 360-degree eyesight, allowing them to track prey in midair with incredible accuracy. Even more impressive, their brain predicts where the prey will move next. So instead of chasing, they intercept. But the final hunter on this list doesn't rely on camouflage, speed, or teamwork. Instead, it uses something far more terrifying. In dry, sandy areas, tiny pits appear in the ground, perfectly shaped cones in the sand. These are traps built by the antlion. Hidden beneath the sand at the bottom of the pit waits the predator. When an ant walks too close, the loose sand collapses. The ant slides downward, straight into the trap. If it tries to escape, the antlion throws sand upward, causing miniature landslides that pull the victim back down. Eventually, the exhausted prey falls into the jaws of the hidden hunter. Which of these hunters surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoy discovering the hidden wonders of the natural world, make sure to subscribe for more fascinating wildlife stories every week, because nature still holds countless secrets waiting to be discovered.